Here are some of the most common commercial lease clauses. Hey, my name is Caitlyn. I'm a realtor here in the Houston area, and I am here to help you generate wealth through real estate. About a sublease clause. This is very common with commercial real estate. So if you leased a commercial space and there is part of that space that you are not using, you may lease that to another tenant, and that is called subleasing. Now, you need to have your attorney review your lease because the landlord may charge you a sublease fee. A great way to really understand this is like with residential real estate. So you may lease an apartment and then you upload that apartment on Airbnb and you allow people to book that apartment on Airbnb, whether it be people are coming into town for conventions and work-related things and they need a place to stay. You lease that apartment to them through Airbnb. This is kind of the same thing with commercial real estate. You have a commercial space. There's part of the space that you are not using and it's empty, and so you sublease that to another tenant. But like I said, have your attorney review your lease because your landlord may charge you a sublease fee. So if you are interested in generating wealth through real estate, if you are an entrepreneur or an investor and you're thinking about leasing commercial real estate or buying commercial real estate, you definitely want to follow me and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can learn everything you need to know about commercial real estate.